Question 37, it's a box and whisker question. Study was conducted to determine the number of cars that pass through two intersections each day for 20 days. The results are summarized in the box and whisker plot below. All right, here's the first thing before I even continue reading. It was 20 days, which is an even number of days. So I know for a fact that this lower extreme and this higher extreme are numbers in the data set. However, I don't know whether or not the median actually represents a number because it's 20 days. And if you have an even number in here, it could be 18 and 22 in the middle of those 20 numbers, and those get averaged to equal 20 days. So I don't know that this 450 is actually a number that represents a number in the data set. Same for down here, which looks like kind of like 425. Okay, but let me keep going. Which statement is best supported by these data? The range of the data in intersection 2 is twice the range of intersection 1. So intersection 2's range, overall range, is 650 minus 250. The range is 400. Down here we have 550 in our small one and 350 here, and that range is 200. So that actually seems true. The range of data is twice the range in intersection 2 as intersection 1. I think that's true. The lower quartile for intersection 1 is greater than the lower quartile for intersection 2. The lower quartile here for intersection 2 and the lower quartile here. So it's saying intersection 1's is greater. Well, that's false because intersection 2's is at 400. Okay, interquartile range for intersection 1 is the same as 2. In section 1, it's 500 minus, let's say that this is down the middle, 375, so 500 minus 375. And I'm going to put this over on the calculator just so I don't have to write it down and I remember, is 125. And then intersection 2 is 550 minus 400, which is 150. So the interquartile range for intersection 1 is the same as intersection 2. No, they're not. They're off by 25. Total number of vehicles that pass through intersection 2 is greater than the total number of vehicles that pass through intersection 1. Total number of vehicles, you actually don't know the total number of vehicles because this is each of the 20 days, and this just represents the most per one day and the least per one day. So you don't actually know how much data was put into making this box and whisker plot. So there's always one that's like you don't know based on the data. So A is the right answer, and B, C, and D are all there to trick you, and I like to make sure I check them off and just verify that I am right.